Hey, Sam, you talked about not seeing opportunities until maybe later this year, and I'm wondering if you think there are opportunities on the other side of the trade. There's been a lot of talk recently of billionaire investors going short the CMBS 6 series, which is heavily weighted towards mall debt. Is there more downside in that sort of trade? Are you in, or have you considered that sort of trade?
I'm very lucky. I used to be one of the largest owners of retail in the United States. Long time ago, in the early 90s, I decided that wasn't where I ought to be focused and sold our entire retail portfolio. I obviously wasn't smart enough to know that online retail was coming on and what it was going to do to the retail market. But there's little question in my mind that retail is a falling knife. And we are for sure not at the bottom in terms of the impact online and the just change in the orientation toward retail.
So there is more pain, and have you considered that sort of a trade where you're betting against that debt? You're betting that retail debt will go into default?
Yeah, I don't really think in terms of trades. I think in terms of, would I buy a retail portfolio today? Maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow. I think that, we started out this whole scenario with more retail space per person than any country in the world by a multiple. So to some extent, the change in retail is really just a recognition of the oversupply. I think going forward, certainly the pandemic has accelerated the amount of online retail, and I don't think that's ever going to change. And it's going to require, future retail retail real estate to be very different than it has been up until now.